Welcome back. In today's episode we are going to make authentic
Minestra Maritata.
This soup originates from Naples in the region of
Campania.
in southern Italy,
Minestra Maritata.
aka Italian wedding soup, traditionally marries leafy greens and meat, hence the name
Maritata.
meaning married, not wedding. Start with 1 pound of pork ribs or neck bones, and half a pound of
Prosciutto.
ends or
Pancetta.
brown it all in olive oil over medium heat. You want color, it builds flavor. Once browned, add 8 cups of water. Drop in 1 onion, a couple of garlic cloves, and a bay leaf. Bring it to a simmer, then reduce the heat and cook low and slow for about 2 hours. Skim off any foam that rises to the top. That keeps the broth clean and clear. While that simmers, prep your greens. Use escarole, chicory, or dandelion, something bitter and bold. Wash well and chop about a pound. Once your broth is rich, strain it. Pick the meat off the bones and shred it. Discard any fat or gristle. Return the meat and broth to the pot. Add the chopped greens. Simmer for another 20 minutes, until the greens are tender but still vibrant. Optionally add small pasta like
Acini di pepe.
or homemade pork meatballs if you want to stretch the dish. But traditionally, it's just meat and greens. To finish, ladle into bowls and top with grated Parmigiano cheese. Serve with crusty bread. That's
Minestra Maritata.
simple, rustic, and real. Just like
Nonna.
made. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, happy cooking.